I'm here at Promenade de Dasmariñas Park in Kaliwa Park in Area B, Bagong Bayan, Barangay Dasmariñas, Cavite, Philippines. Okay? And so naririto ako sa isang park here in our local town here. Okay. Okay. Hello guys. Hi. Nakalabas ako ng Pilipinas, no? Ng barangay namin. So nagpunta ako sa ibang barangay. So sarap dito, isang park ito, park. It's a park in our Dasmariñas town. So maganda dito guys, malamig, so comfortable. So sarap gumawa ng vlogs, ng videos, okay? So paano guys? See you later! Alligator, bye!